What's up, family? We are the GAMARS family. I am Queen Gamar. Hashtag Mommy LA. To the returning subscriber, we love you. If you're new here, just hit that subscribe button and stay. So, imagine what? I forgot to do the intro. Yeah? Naifanya sahi. And as you can see, hata sijui niseme aje. So, let's do this with you. Oh my God, look at my baby. Ash. Hebu maliza uji uoge. Sawa? Mama. Family, you can see I was washing and baby woke up, so I had to attend to her. Yeah. I'm washing. Yeah. I want to do everything today. I want to do the washing and arrange the house. It's so messy. You can see the kitchen. My cousins were here yesterday. We cooked. Ndo maana kuna hizi sufuria kubwa hivi. So I want to start by washing her. Mama, say hi. Say hi. Cha-cha. Clap your hands, Mama. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap. Yeah, guys. So we meet when she's clean and when I'm ready to work. Hey, beautiful family. She's done taking the porridge and she's about to take a shower. So in 1, 2, 3. Yay! That's her. That's how she looks. So cute. Yeah. And after the shower, I'm in doze. So this is the perfect time. Yeah. Nifunikie like that. Yeah. So acha I get into washing. Yeah. Tuoshe manguo, tuoshe besheni. Kama atakuwa ameamka, we wash. Family, in the next video nitaonyesha venye I make my homemade soap, liquid soap na jik. So stay tuned. But for now, acha tufue. Yeah? Yeah, people? Guess who is awake? Mama, Ash, say hi. Cha-cha. Let's see if she'll coordinate. Acha nimalize kufua. Yeah. Baby, ucheze hapo. Sawa mama? Sawa. 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 Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! I'm done washing the clothes. Yeah? So niko hapa sitting room. Nataka nipanguze meza, nifagie carpet, alafu we go to the kitchen, wash the utensils. Alafu after that I'll take a shower, then go to the market. We get something to cook. Alafu we get to the bedroom and sort everything. As you can see, baby is here. Nyanya! Just watching Cocomelon. So yeah. Family, I'm done washing, so let me get to the bathroom and we're gonna see you when I'm. Hello, my beautiful, amazing family. We are back in the house. We went to buy supper and we are back. Ella is here just having her biscuit. She's a lover of biscuit. She loves biscuit. So if you want to win a heart, just buy her biscuit. Yeah? And by the way, Ashley is at a stage where she can't have a feeder. Like yani, hata ukimweka feeder atatoa tu. Tumesumbuana, but it's okay. And she's somehow messy, as you can see. Mama! But it's mommy's duty to wash her clothes. Yeah, so I'm fine with it. Let her enjoy while I'm cooking dinner. And we're gonna catch up later. Yeah? Remember to subscribe. Just remember to subscribe. Mama! Chacha! Ngam ngam! Ngam! Mwah! Mwah! Clap for our fans. Clap. Hey! Yo! Apparently, this is the next day, the next morning. I can't believe we slept here. Yeah? This is my messy room. So, I want to kupanga everything here. And wow. Finally, I'm done, as you can see. Yep. Blanketi ziko hapo, ndazisort. Yeah. I'm done. And before we go there, I'll be keeping my mafuta. Hii bado sijajua penye nitaiweka. In the meantime, before we figure out, yeah. Yay! Yay! Right. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. At least I'm done with this thing. Yo, I'm so like tired. And at this moment, I've come to the end of the video. Yo, see you in the next video. We love you. Mwah. We are out.